Nakel mi danfe, Guru niramita bene chakwe. Altare mi nefe, Guru no chale me no kwe mi me. Achane mi nefe, Guru no chimate no wekwe. Achane ni nefe, enerata. Emane kobe me kufan maramintelwen. Achane lilwete, meni kiga bokwami mitrade no cheleno. Achalo minwete, ele okami mitier vrendo monga michija. Eskelo hamdra tivel bieko arbande.
There is a dance under the rain. There's a dance.
There any dance.
There is a dance under the rain. I see a dance under the rain. So much rejoicing under the rain. So much rejoicing under the rain. There's jubilation under the rain. There's jubilation under this rain.
Celebration under the rain. Celebration under the rain. Celebration under the rain. Celebration. There is a dance under this rain. There is a dance under the rain. I see a dance under the rain. There is a dance.
Oh, who dances on the rain?
Children gather at the altar and dance for the King of Love. Cause there's a dance ordained for the rain. With your dance you provoke the rain. With your dance you sustain the rain. With your dance we honor the rain. The rain of love, the rain of peace. With your dance you provoke the rain. With your dance you provoke the joy. With your dance you provoke the peace. Under this rain, you really dancing. You really guile with the vitamin Kada. Asalo and the Mikin, Gid, Yijinatene, Leonada. Give me queen.
Release yourself, release yourself now.
No, I'll give it to me. Chiala, oh, send it.
Release yourself now. Release yourself, release yourself. There is a dance under the rain. 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 Get up and dance under this rain. There is a dance under the rain. There is a dance under the rain. There is a dance under the rain. Release yourself. Release yourself. Release yourself.
Release yourself.
There's a dance under the rain.
Under the rain.
There's a dance under the rain.
Under the rain.
There's a dance under the rain.
Under the rain.
There's a dance under the rain.
Under the
The
rain.
dance. Ay, ay, ay. Under the rain. Under the rain. Under the rain. Under the rain.
Rain, rain, don't go away. again, it's another day. Little God's view wants to soak. Little God's view wants to drink. Rain, rain, don't go away. Come again, it's another day. Little God's view wants to dance. A rainy dance under your rain. Rain, rain, don't go away. Come again, it's another day. Little children want to soak. Little children want to play. Your little children want to soak. Your little children want to play. Your little children want to soak. Your little children want to drink. Your little children want to soak. Your little children want to soak. Little children want to soak. Little children want to drink. Red amiga. Take away the dryness. Red amiga. Take away the dryness. Little children want to soak. Little children need to drink. Your babies, they want to soak. More Lord, rain on us. Your babies, they want to drink. Till we're full and overflowing. Your babies, they want to soak in love, in peace and joy and unity. Your babies, they want to drink and be drinking love with you. And be drinking love with you. Such a privilege to be under this roof. The rain comes with a sound. The sound of abundance of rain. Can you hear the sound? Rain has a sound. Rain, it provoke. Rain has a dance. Rain comes with a joy. Rain has a signature. And so we're looking out for the signatures, for the proof, for the signs of the rain. The cloud is heavy. Heaven is desperate to rain on us. The cloud is heavy. No more joking, joking. It's heavy on us. A generation has been waiting for rain. The cloud is heavy. And we provoke the rain tonight with a dance, with a shout, with a song ordained from spirits, with a dance, with a shout, with a song ordained from Yahweh, with a dance, with a song, with a shout, ordained from lover, with a dance, with a song, with a song.
God of Israel, ordained from Yahweh. seems to move. The sound of rain precedes the move of God. We've waited long enough. The sound of the roar of the rushing water. The God of Israel comes with the sound of the roar of the rushing water. The God of Israel comes with the sound of the rush of the rushing water. The God of Israel comes with the sound of the roar of the rushing water. Have been restored. The weak ones have been made strong. The crowns lost have been restored. Restoration time. The thirsty ones have been made full. Restoration time. Under the rain, 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 under the rain. We sit here under the rain on fire. Under the rain. Our crowns are restored under the rain. Alignment is happening under the rain. Hunger and passion is restored. Lost virtue is redeemed. You are hearing the instructions again. He's working in us both to will and to do. Heighten the operations of wisdom. Your hands are strengthened and taught to war.